the free-floating planets that travel in pairs. Astronomers found possible jumbos, Jupiter-massed binary objects, planet-sized bodies floating through space without a star, sometimes in pairs. Imagine a planet drifting through the darkness of space. No sun, no solar system, no home. Now imagine finding not one, but two of them traveling together through the galaxy. Scientists weren't supposed to find planets like these, yet the James Webb Space Telescope may have discovered dozens, and nobody knows exactly how they formed. For decades, astronomers believed planets belonged to stars, just like Earth belongs to our sun. But then scientists began discovering something strange: entire planets floating through space alone. These became known as rogue planets, or free-floating planets. They travel through the galaxy without orbiting any star. Some estimates suggest there could be more rogue planets than stars in the Milky Way. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope observed the Orion Nebula. Scientists expected to find young stars. Instead, they found hundreds of planetary mass objects. Over 500 free-floating objects were identified, but something even stranger appeared. Around 40 of these objects appeared to be traveling in pairs. These strange pairs became known as Jumbo's Jupiter-mass binary objects. Here's why. Astronomers were stunned. When planets are ejected from solar systems, the process is violent. Gravitational forces rip systems apart. Scientists expected rogue planets to wander alone. Finding two rogue planets orbiting each other shouldn't be common. Yet Webb found dozens. This challenges traditional theories of planet formation. These aren't small worlds. Each object can have between roughly 1 and 13 times Jupiter's mass. Many pairs orbit each other at enormous distances. Some are separated by hundreds of times the Earth's distance. Imagine Jupiter floating through space. Then imagine another Jupiter-sized world, orbiting it with no star nearby. Just two giant worlds endlessly circling each other. Two giant planets originally formed around a star. A close encounter with another star disrupted the system. Instead of separating, the planets were thrown out together and remained gravitationally bound. Maybe they never formed as planets. Perhaps they formed more like stars. Clouds of gas collapsed, but didn't gather enough material to ignite nuclear fusion. The result, planet-sized objects born directly in space. Some astronomers believe jumbos may represent a new category of celestial body. Not planets, not stars. Something in between, a new population hidden throughout the galaxy. The mystery gets even deeper. Not every astronomer agrees. These objects are real. Some studies suggest several of the original candidates may actually be distant background stars. Others argue the evidence remains strong. Recently, researchers found additional free-floating planetary pairs elsewhere, giving support to the idea that jumbo-like objects may truly exist. Now imagine something even stranger. If these rogue planets have moons, those moons could orbit planets that orbit nothing. No sunrise, no sunset, just eternal darkness. Some scientists have even speculated that internal heat could make some rogue worlds surprisingly active, despite lacking a star. NASA estimates there could be enormous numbers of rogue planets throughout our galaxy. If jumbos are real, then the Milky Way may be filled with wandering planetary pairs, entire worlds drifting together through interstellar space, invisible travelers crossing the galaxy for billions of years. The universe keeps revealing things we never expected. Planets without stars, worlds with no sun, and perhaps planetary pairs wandering through the darkness together. The strangest part, these may only be the first we've found. Imagine what else is still hiding out there. For more adventures, please support us by liking the video and subscribing. Thank you. Until next time.